Alright, what up YouTube? I'm back. Yo. So I'm out here. I'm gonna be making a 4-piece different videos. Right now it's nighttime and I really wanted to get this done. That's how dedicated I am. So I'm at a church, right? And there's a little awning. So what I'm doing today or tonight right now is my car's so low, right? I'm a pizza delivery driver. I was reversing out of someone's driveway and it was dangling down and it caught like a small little lip. And I heard, so I had to pop the hood in the middle of a delivery. Customer's mad, didn't get the pizza delivered to them. I'm like, I'm sorry, dude, my bumper just got ripped off.
It's a terrible situation.
So I had to unbolt it. And then the lens on that popped off a while ago due to the same reason. So what I'm doing is making a video of how to put your bumper on. It's already off, so it's just the same thing to put it on, take it off, same thing. So anyways, I'll be replacing that and the bumper together because that's kind of the same area. I don't want to make that a separate video, so I guess I'll be doing a 3-piece video, so it'll be one video, right? So we'll be changing that. This is cracked, so I'm getting water filled all up inside the car. So I'll be showing you guys how to change the light, which really easy. If you guys are ever having water issues inside your car, it could be your trunk seal around inside there, or it could be the seal that's inside here behind your lights. It's easy, like 4 bolts. And then this is very common with the 92 to 95 Honda Civics and the Del Sols. The way their handles are, so much leverage of opening, closing that it snaps right here.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
This is like the 5th, like even on one time both doors, and I have to keep going through the passenger side right now because I can't get in on this side. So I'm changing that out as well, and I'll show you guys how to do that. But the bumper and that is going to be the main focus right now. Those lights are easy. But yeah, so this is what I'm doing, and this is my environment that I'm using. So stay tuned. Alright, yo. Do a quick walk around. Doing the bumper right now, the lights, changing this one because it's cracked. It's getting water in my trunk. And then the door handle. So we'll be doing all that. But first, let's start with the bumper. So, let me get it out of the car. I'll get it ready, get things going, set up the phone on the tripod, so just give me just a second. See, door handle's broken, so I gotta keep going on this side. So we'll fix that as well. Alright, yo. This is a real simple job, technically, if things go right. So I have fog lights, and my fog lights like to hit the core support and not work good, so that might be the trouble. Let me pop the hood. Alright, so what it's got is usually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, but I only have 4 in this bracket. Like I said, it's pretty simple. So what you do is you just kind of fit it into place. Or hold on, I gotta plug in my fog lights. And apparently I have them turned on. Alright. Ooh, let me show you guys something. So check this out, right? If you ever get fog lights, you can find them on eBay. Type in 92 to 95 Honda Civic fog lights. They come as a whole kit. I have mine wire tucked inside the fender so I don't have wires everywhere. On the back of the bumpers, they have cutout lines already set up. So you just get like a dermal or some sort of razor blade or a knife and cut it out. You just follow the little lines. There's little rods here, it bolts in down here. This one's the one that broke. And so if you look right here, see that little scrape mark? It hits right there. So I got to try to figure out how to line the bumper up and get this little light to like either fit in here or go underneath it a little bit or something. That was the issue I was having. So yeah, it broke the plastic cover, so I have to try to get a new cover or just super glue it on. I don't know. But anyways, so if anything, if you see me struggling, it's probably that little piece right there of the fog light. So let me set this back down and we'll get started on it. And also to change this is why we're doing this also. It's a screw right there, right? Phillips screwdriver, just unscrew that, pull this out, put the new one in, which I'm actually going to do that first because you have to go up underneath and behind. I don't think you can see it. Nope, probably not, but it'll be fast. Where's the wire? So it's just a wire and you just twist it to get it out of there. But hold on, let me grab the screwdriver. Unscrew this real fast. Out with the old. So this is what I was talking about right here. You just reach up underneath. You can either unplug it or just pull out the whole light itself. I have LED turn signals, so which this one I think burnt out, but I got to get a new one. But yeah, you just twist it and then just pull it right out. And then yeah, just that one bolt or that one Phillips screwdriver and boom, it's done. So let me go put the new one in and then get started on the bumper. Set this back here, get a good angle. All right. And also, it's like 30 something degrees. Today's the day before Christmas Eve. So it's cold right now. So my hands are kind of, if anything, I might turn on the car and warm the motor and put it there, or just go sit in the car and warm up. Oh, if you want this to sit correctly, by the way, you see this little groove right here? Those grooves? that slides over this little sleeve thing, and that'll sit flush. If you don't have it right here, it's gonna have a space and be just awkward. So yeah, check the camera, make sure it's looking good. Looks like it's looking up at the sky, which I don't like how this light's just shining down. There we go. All right. One-man army out here. Ooh, my fingers are so cold, I'm trying to hurry up. I might not even do all of it tonight, just at least the bumper. Maybe the door panel, because I'm tired of crawling through every delivery for pizza. I've been riding around with my window rolled down so I can just reach in through the window and do it that way. Also, on the back of the light, there's like spikes. A lot of the times they just break off. You gotta line that up with the fender also. I'm just gonna put this in. So my turn signal doesn't work right. And as I'm wiggling, I'm thinking it's a wiring issue. But my hands, I don't know if I can do this tonight. This is crazy. It's cold.
I'm so cold! I'm so cold! How many times do I have to tell you? I'm freezing!
I'm at least throwing the bumper on. I'll call it a night. I have the next 2 days off after Christmas, so I'll probably do it then. It's cold. It's really cold. This light bulb's really annoying though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a break and warm up in the car. This is not okay. This is too bad. Bro, I can't feel my fingertips right now. This is insane. I'm gonna have to pause the video, sit in the car, warm up. This isn't cool. So, give me a minute. Alright, we're back. Had to warm up my hands. Sucks. Now I can use the engine. Good enough, dude. It's a Honda.
See, nobody cares.
Who cares? Right? Like, screw it. you serious? Here, I'll show you what's going on. So this car has been in an accident before. If you look, see how it's bowed right here? It's not supposed to be bowed out like that. This side's flat. Can't really see. But if you look, see the frame of the car? It touches the light right here. On this side, I can put my finger all the way underneath it. So it's been hit, so everything's all jarred over. And that's what this issue is because it's kind of tilted down, that it's in the way of the fog light. So this fender is all messed up and it's always going to have this stupid gap. It's annoying to me, but it is what it is. Let's just get this finished. It's cold. Putting the bumper on is easy. We probably just did the hardest part right now. Success. Now, that bar and those screws. So underneath, you guys are gonna see me zip tying. I have to zip tie because I don't have the bolts. That little hole right here, there's supposed to be a screw with the washer that goes through. But there's a clip, like the threads that go into, it goes up in here underneath in the fender. Well, I'm just gonna zip tie it. I'm not the only one. There's a lot of Honda people out there that if you lower your car, this is known. In the future, I'm probably gonna get like the little spikes and like maybe like an actual quick release with the rubber bands so it looks nicer. I used to have those, so I'll just be zip tying those. So this goes there, and then you just put these in here somewhere. I'm just gonna leave this one out because the bumper's kind of messed up there anyway, so I'll just bolt these ones in. And yeah, let me do that real fast. That light, I'm gonna go shut it off. I don't like how the light is glaring down like that. It sucks, but it's what I got from it. Screw it. Don't forget to screw in the turn signal light. Try not to drop your screw.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
friend of mine taught me this. If you own a Honda or an Acura Integra, zip ties are your best friend. I always carry a package of zip ties with me in my glove box. So, in AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Walmart, Dollar Tree is where I got mine from. So I'm gonna put 4 on each side. It's easier to turn the steering wheel so you have more room, but I'm a dummy. I don't feel like getting back up and going to my car. Hey, shout out to the spot though for being dry, lights. This is usually where I come to get all my pictures too. A lot of people in this town don't even really know this is out here. I mean, it's a church, so I mean, some people do know it's out here obviously because it's church, but I mean, like car people, they don't come out here for pictures and stuff. Like, this is kind of my spot for getting pictures. Videos and stuff. I'm just putting 4 for more support because as it rains, these zip ties break all the time. Alright, so zip ties are always your best friend, like I said. Zip ties. I put in a few zip ties, like 3 of them, just for now to get by. This side's gonna have this stupid gap just because this side's just messed up. It sucks. But now I'm gonna go do the other side with zip ties. I'm probably gonna call it a night with just the bumper, because I ran out of footage or space on my phone, so it's not really letting me record a lot of videos. So I'm just gonna do this side, call it good, do the rest of the stuff later another time or something. I don't even know, because I want to change that door handle tonight. We'll see. But right now, I'm gonna get this other side on. This is what it looks like after. Alright, y'all, and now she's done. Bumper's back on. Pretty simple. So glad to have that light looking good again. So yeah, that's the end of this video for the bumper. I really hope this helps anybody out there. It's literally on the top right here, just 4 screws, well 5. If it's not broken and someone used zip ties, then there's 1 screw there and on the other side also. And there you go. Without fog lights, it comes right off me. I have to plug in and be careful for the wire. But yeah, I really hope that this helps you guys. And like I said, this is the day right before Christmas Eve, so I want to wish you guys Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, and I hope you guys have a good one, bro. Yeah, stay tuned. And always keep on cruising. Remember that. You'll get through life with those words in your head. You just got to keep on cruising. Some people say keep on trucking, keep on whatevers. Keep on cruising. All right, peace.